Being a developer is not about just writing code. It's a big part, but it's not the only thing. To really thrive in this career, you need to think like a developer. So how do you think like a developer? Step 1, break down problems. You are going to come up against some fairly large problems. If you just dive headfirst into that problem, that's a recipe for disaster. So I would advise breaking it down into some manageable chunks. Honestly, this is a really valuable skill. It really helped me starting out, and it was something that I've taken with me throughout my career. Second tip, stay curious and always ask why. When you're reading someone else's code, ask yourself why. Why did they do it this way? What were they trying to achieve? As developers and people that work in tech, we are always learning. So whenever you don't understand something, just ask why, dig a bit deeper. Step 3 is problem solving and efficiency. Just because something works doesn't mean it's the best way to achieve it. One thing to avoid as a developer is to think, well, that will do. It works, so I'll just leave it. It might work, but it might be poorly written, which might mean that there could be a lot of bugs in the future. So once you have a solution, think about how can you optimize this? How can you make it better or more efficient? And to add on to the back of that, understand the problem thoroughly. The key here is to not rush. If you rush, you're going to write poor code, and that's going to lead to bugs. Write it out in pseudocode if you have to. Think about how you're going to solve this problem rather than just jumping straight in. There are more skills, but I think these are the most important, or the ones that really helped me when I started out. So if it helps, leave a comment, let me know, and I'd appreciate you if you drop the follow as well.